Oh, the AWOL man's back. I just had that awesome fan going. I was walking for like 4 hours, and I got another. I think I won't take the tourist route on the way back. Very humid day, but awesome. Okay, now this particular bell here. Downsides, a little bit of cracking going on here. But I don't think it's going to go any further because it gets to this strengthening point and of the casting, and also down here, and then it stops. So it should be fine. Now this, hold on a second here. This thing here. Let's see. It says Tokusai, which is Yazawa Tokusai, which means it's specially made. And from what we can tell, this is it's pretty faint, but there's some kanji on here somewhere, and it says something like this was used as one of those warning bells for firefighting, for a K-bowl, which is a fire station, and something to do with the 8th division of this protection group. Yeah, 8th group of K-bow protection group, something like that. And it does, from its design, like some of the fire bells that are specifically just for fire bells don't have no design whatsoever. So this one, it's gotta be, it must have been a Buddhist temple bell, one of the secondary bell initially, being specially made and all. And maybe that was donated to this firefighter group or something. I presume possibly because it ended up having some cracking. So it's probably gone through extreme temperatures. And maybe the changing of the bell, and they changed the bell, and because you'll find, now you will receive one of these, in fact exactly the same design. Because I walked so far today, I didn't want to walk along with a hammer. That might not look too good, but because the sound is still awesome. So it doesn't affect the sound. You find it's got great reverberation. It's really cool up here. So you find that it, in likelihood, just due to design and all that sort of thing, in likelihood it would have been a Buddhist bell initially. So work with it. Oh, I'm using a chamfer here. Now I know not to put this camera too close with bells because it messes with the pitch or something. And it's got great reverberation. Now if it had cracking down here, for instance, I've seen that with many bells, it wouldn't have the reverberation. Even down here. It sounds better down there, really. There you go. Now, I would say that it's been struck pretty much around the same. It's got pretty much around the same wear on both sides, really. So, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, so yeah, you're going to get one of these. Like I said, it's sitting in my car. 4 hours walk away. Actually, I might take a more straighter route this time. Alright, that's that. Now I don't know how much video I've got left, so I'll see if I can list something else. Maybe something else, we'll see.